Hi, my name's Matt Marrin, CEO and co-founder of Here 360. We're showing right now with Hed Unity. We've just integrated a real-time spatial audio rendering engine directly into the headphone. We can render any piece of stereo content. It does not have to be a special track, no special codecs, and we can render that for an immersive spatial audio experience. Come check it out, Hed Unity, awesome headphone, sounds amazing. Watch out for us soon. We're going to be in IFE systems, in-flight entertainment, you name it. We're embedding into lots of great things right now. Thanks.
All right, I'm Ken Randall, VP of Product at Hed Unity. And what we're showing here at NAMM is the first audio computer headphone. What we've built is a high-res, lossless, wireless streaming headphone that can do Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, play from the 16 gigs of embedded storage, and you can still plug in purely analog and use it as a passive audio device. Great product. Go to getunity.com, check us out, get yours.
Thank you to our sponsor, Q Acoustics. From the affordable but high-performance 3000i series to the new advanced 5000 range through to the high-end Concept family. Make Q Acoustics your entry point, your next sonic step up, or your end-all for your hi-fi and music listening journey.